comment, subscribe. Hey guys, it's me, Talia Arisa Gibson. You can call me Tag for short, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be attempting to make Hot Cheetos air fried pickles. So let's see what I have. So I have the Hot Cheetos, just the regular flaming hot crunchy Hot Cheetos, and I've already put some here in my food processor. I have some flour that I'm going to season. I've already cracked 2 eggs that I'm going to add here, and then I'm gonna have milk as well in the egg. So I have some milk, and then once this is chopped, I'm going to place it in the bowl, in this bowl too. All right, so let's get this started. All right, so I'm gonna call this my Hot Cheeto flour. Let's see here. So there's that. And I'm gonna put it in this bowl. All right, so you can see that here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and beat my eggs. Add a little bit of milk. So the pickles that I have are these plastic stackers. So I'm trying to do the recipe based on what I saw from Toshpointfro on YouTube and Instagram. So I'm trying to follow the way that she did it. I'm just gonna modify just a little bit because, so what I'm gonna do is just season my flour just like I would for like chicken fingers or something. So gonna add some salt, add some pepper, then I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper, then I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic powder. Just give it some flavor. And then we're gonna add some onion powder. And then I'm gonna add some seasoned salt, Lawry's. Not too much, just enough. So now let me mix that up. All right, so that's ready. So now I'm going to start this process. So the pickles will go in the flour, then they'll go in the egg wash, and then they'll go into the Hot Cheetos. And then I think I'll double it that way. So I'm gonna get my air fryer ready. So I added a little paprika into the flour as well. I forgot to do that, so I added that in. So now what I'm going to do is start preparing the pickles. Okay, so I'm going to open up, just let it drip a little bit. All right. So now I'm going to add them in the flour. Pickle in the flour. Let it get on there. Okay. So now I'm going to add the pickle into the egg wash. And get a little messy here, but it's okay. And then I'm going to add the pickle into the Hot Cheetos. Get those nicely coated. All right, so now I'm gonna dip again in the egg wash. Get a little double dip. Uh-oh, my pickle's trying to break. That in there. All right. So then I'm just gonna lay this pickle into my fryer. But before I do that, I actually want to, so just for a little protection, I'm going to spray a little bit of this, even though, just to make sure it doesn't stick. So now I'm going to add my pickle into the tray. All right, so let's do another one. All right, let's get another one. All right, last one. Alright, so you can see I have 5 of the pickles here in the fryer. And so now I'm going to set up my air fryer. Okay. So I'm going to set this on, let's see, 10 minutes. I'm gonna do 10 minutes at 400. I'll flip it about halfway through. All right, guys, so we'll see how this turns out. I'm excited to try it. I've been wanting to try this for a while, but I just hadn't taken the time to do it. And plus, I hadn't gotten an air fryer, so I just got an air fryer, and so I was like, yay, let's try it. So we'll see how they turn out. I'll probably do like the fried mozzarella sticks on another day, and then I'll try the Hot Cheetos fried chicken, Hot Cheetos fried mozzarella sticks. Hot Cheetos fried chicken, again, I did that before frying it in oil, and they turned out really good. They were really tasty. So I'm curious to try that again in the air fryer, and maybe like the Hot Cheeto fries. So yep, stay tuned and we'll see what the finished product looks like. Okay, let's see how they look. They're done. All right, so there they are. I'm gonna take these out. Alright, there they are. And I'm going to add just some regular ranch dressing, classic ranch dressing. There we go. That's that. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video, but don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and of course hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post, and stay tuned for part 2 of the video where I will eat and try out these air fried Hot Cheeto fried pickles. Bye!